Don't call me cute.
It's all about the delivery. You can call somebody a bad bitch, but depending on how you deliver it, it might get taken the wrong way.
Be careful with that one. What's up, gentlemen? So they're back, those super sassy hairstyling sirens from Salon Posta. So this question that I went in today to ask them was the one that they had the hardest time actually answering. I was curious, what is an incredible compliment that a guy can give you that you're gonna love? There's a razor thin line between giving an incredible compliment that makes her go, oh my God, am I blushing? I love you. And pervert. Today, gentlemen, they're gonna help you knock it out of the compliment park. If you're ready, why don't you drop them one of these for helping us not look creepy.
The best compliment I've gotten is when someone tells me that they can be their most genuine self around me. Like they can be either like more vulnerable or can just feel comfy and not have to put on a mask or anything when they're around me, and that makes me feel really special.
So this one like blew my mind. This is such an incredible compliment, right? I feel like I can be myself around you, or you make me feel safe to be vulnerable. Like that's like next level shit.
It never has anything to do with how I look. Like it's always something like, oh, like I really like talking to you, or like, oh, like you're really funny, or like that one's a big one. If you think I'm funnier than you, that's a good one.
I think if they compliment like your sense of humor and think I'm funny and entertaining.
You're hilarious.
I like it when people tell me that I'm a good cook. I'm good at cooking?
Yeah.
Southern food. Cornbread, mac and cheese. I'm thick.
Food is one of those really super powerful compliments that is absolutely a game changer, right? There's so much time, energy, and love that goes in to preparing a meal that when you actually compliment it and let her know, yo, mamacita, oh my God, that was delicious. Game over, you win, congratulations, well done.
I think if you compliment how strong she is individually.
Strong, like physically, mentally, emotionally?
Mentally, emotionally, and an independent woman. I think that's good. If a guy can appreciate that, then love that.
When they just like a genuine compliment about your style, just something that they've like pinpointed about you that you have on or you're wearing, your smell.
Complimenting their style, something they're wearing, or the way that they smell. These are two compliments that are amazing that you can actually give to a stranger without looking super weird or creepy.
I love when a guy compliments how I smell. That is a good one. You smell good.
It's Rebel, baby. True story. Every single time I would wear Creed Aventus, I would get a compliment from a stranger, whether or not it was a barista at Starbucks or just a stranger. They'd always be like, hey, you smell incredible. What are you wearing? I'd be like, Creed Aventus. And then I'd be embarrassed because I knew that most people can't afford a $350 fragrance, which is why I decided to actually solve the problem and create Rebel. Rebel is not a clone or a copy, but if you like Creed Aventus, you're gonna love this. It's under $50, and with that discount code, even better. And guys, we also sell all 4 of the Pete and Pedro fragrances in the deluxe sample sizes, which is a great way to just try and sample the different fragrances that we have. We actually have 4. We've got Rebel, but we also have Villain. This one has been a game changer. It's inspired by Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. A little spicier, a little earthier, a little more masculine, but amazing. Another one that I love is King, inspired by Creed's Green Irish Tweed. And if you guys like a light, fresh fragrance, you are going to love Hero. It's inspired by Acqua di Gio Profumo, except we made it better, it lasts longer, it's stronger, and it's also more affordable. All of the Pete and Pedro fragrances are under $50. If you buy them as a set, guys, it gets even more affordable. That discount code is gonna help you save some dinero on smelling amazing. Psst, come here. We've been working on another top secret fragrance. This one, it's called Legend. It is inspired by, let's just say, a fragrance that is effing fabulous. Tom Ford's Effing Fabulous is the inspiration for the newest edition of the Pete and Pedro fragrance. It is called Legend. It is about to drop. It hasn't launched yet, or depending on when you're actually watching this, it may have launched because it's soon. But right now, if you want to go and actually sign up to be notified when it drops, you're going to get a discount. This fragrance, we truly feel, is going to be an absolute game changer. It is incredible, it's sexy, it's masculine, and it is effing fabulous.
So, nothing physical. I want them to notice something about my personality. Like, oh, you're so thoughtful, you're so sweet. I don't know, something like that.
I think the best compliment someone could give me is like when they don't notice just the physical things, like they notice all the little things about me as a person. Like personality. I like when a guy says I have a good personality. Personality is another safe compliment to give anyone, pretty much. I've had dudes tell me that they like my personality better than they like my looks, feeling like they're trying to be sweet and tell me that they like my brain, or
and it just does not come across. It's all about the delivery. You can call somebody a bad bitch, but depending on how you deliver it, it might get taken the wrong way.
Be careful with that one.
Exactly.
I feel like the best compliment I could get from a guy is if I'm nice and caring and thoughtful. And yeah.
Not looks?
No. Well, yeah, call me pretty. Don't call me cute. Beautiful, pretty, sexy. I'm just kidding. Sorry, Aaron. I got carried away.
I feel like any compliment about how I look makes me feel good. If I look good, I feel good.
There is no one compliment, but always notice what we do. If we clean the house, say thank you. It looks good. If we do our hair, say it looks good. Do our makeup, it looks good.
Notice.
Not one compliment.
My voice. My voice. My raspy voice.
What's the best compliment that a guy could give you?
The best one?
Yes.
That I'm smart.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm smart.
You're a genius.
I'm a genius.
I think you're a genius.
You do?
You're so smart. Oh, and real quick, another compliment that none of them mentioned, but I know for a fact is huge and appropriate for pretty much any woman is their hair, right? Your hair looks amazing. Women spend so much time, money, energy on making their hair sexy, gentlemen. If you notice it, if you compliment it and be like, damn, girl, your hair looks amazing. Let's have sex.